Hey YouTube, Petey Pete. Just wanted to do a quick video on some of the multi-tools, some of the Leathermans that I have in my collection. First of all, I have the personal survival tool. This is the original Leatherman. As you can see, for all the Leatherman freaks out there, it has metric and inches, so that would tell you that this was one of the second runs of personal survival tools, late 80s to mid 90s. I think I got this in 92. I don't carry this anymore. It's the ones with the smaller plier heads, no pocket clip. It has this little lanyard deal here, hole. Pretty good. I used it for a long time, retired it. I'll still carry it every once in a while. That's the original. Then I also have the Super Tool 200. I got this, I think, in 98, something like that. This is a damn good tool here. The only thing that I don't like about it is these chinty Leatherman pouches that they give you. This one came with my Surge, and one like this came with my Super Tool 200. The first time I opened the button, it just broke right off. So no sheath for it. The Surge, I got this a few years ago. I think it's the original Surge. I think this is the first one that had the tools that come out without having to open the pliers up, and I really like that. And it's a pretty good locking mechanism on there. The only thing that I don't like about it, which, you know, for everyday carry, is that it's pretty heavy. This is one of the heavier Leathermans, so I usually just put this in my backpack, in the sheath, of course. So I don't like that sheath. Anyways, the next one I want to show you is my Blast. Usually this is one of my everyday carry Leathermans. It's pretty cheap. I mean, it wasn't that cheap, but it's really good for everyday carry. It's got a sharp saw on there. It's got locking knives. The saw is a dang good saw. So I've cut metal with it. I've cut wood with it. Actually, there's some wood still left in it. It's got a nice file, scissors, screwdrivers. Leatherman Blast. The next one, and these are in order of when I got them. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth one I got Leatherman Skeletal CX. This isn't the original one I had. The original one I had it used to come with the serrated blade, but I was everyday carrying this and snapped these pliers right off. One was just gone, so I sent it in with my half serrated blade, and they sent me this one back with some extra bits and just the regular straight blade. It's alright. I really am not that big of a fan of serrations. I mean, half serrations is fine. I really like this. It looks like carbon fiber inserts, but I think if you look on their website, the CX and just the Skeletal are both the same weight. So obviously the carbon fiber is not making this one any lighter. And I'd say for the money, just get the regular Skeletal. Then these are my keychain Leathermans, my squirt, which I showed my first everyday carry video. This is the ES4, the electrician strippers on there. Also has scissors, sharp knife. Really like this thing. Keep it on my keychain. And then I have the Micra. It's got scissors, and I probably use this one more than I use this one. I mean, I use this one to strip wire, but the scissors, man, the scissors come in real handy, and these are nice scissors. I like them. So, and I usually keep this on my other keys that has, you know, my keys for my car have so much stuff on them that I have another keychain that I keep this on. It has my wife's keys on it, the house keys, and several different other keys that I have for various things. Anyways, just wanted to show you my Leatherman collection. I really want to get, there's some older Leathermans that I'd like to get, and one of them being the side clip, which is a retired tool, but I'd still like to have that, and they're on eBay and stuff like that. And there's some other, I think the kick you can put a pocket clip on. And I really like the pocket clip instead of the sheath. I mean, the Skeletal CX has the pocket clip, and of course I put some paracord on there, but the ones that I usually carry are these two. You know, sometimes I might carry this one, and these two of course are on my keychain. This one it's in my bug out bag, and the original PST, personal survival tool from Leatherman. Leatherman's warranty is top notch. You know, I have no complaints. Every time I've sent something in, they've either sent something better back or added a few little goodies in there. A couple extra bits or bit driver. Anywho, hope you enjoy the video. Some of my multi-tools, Leatherman multi-tools. I have some other brands, you know, Victorinox, what have you, Gerber, SOG. Thanks for watching the video. Appreciate all my subscribers. Any comments or suggestions, once again, please give me a shout. Peace.